Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to adjust your jeans if they don't fit you well, kind of like you see here. We want them to look more something like this, nice and fitted, cinched in at the waist. And this is all even if you don't know how to sew, because you don't need a sewing machine for this video. Here's just a closer look to see how well they fit, and we'll get right to it. So first you want to get yourself an elastic band here, about an inch thick, or however wide that your pant jean is, however wide the waist is. You'll want to make sure it will fit that. Make sure that your elastic is smaller than your waist. So for reference, my waist is a 28. This elastic band is about 22 inches. That is what's going to create that effect to keep those jeans up. Now, what I'll be doing now is marking about 4 to 5 inches from the start of my jeans, and we're going to do that on both sides. I also use like these imprinted lines here that you see I was pointing at as kind of a guide to make sure it's fairly even on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we do want to try to make it as even as possible. Now I'm going to cut that line to create a hole that will feed that elastic band in. So we're just going to take some scissors and cut that. You do want to make sure you're only cutting the inside of the jeans, because we don't want to have a hole on the outside of the jeans. So a nice hole like that will work. And again, just make sure you see here it's only on the inside of the jeans. So now we're going to just make sure that elastic will fit, and this will fit perfectly fine. You want to get a safety pin, put that safety pin inside the elastic, and then you're just going to feed that through the hole there that we created. So this part, it's kind of time consuming. It's quick, but you do just want to make sure you're feeding it through, and you can pull down the jean like you see here. Just scrunch it up, continue to scrunch it up for a few, and then you'll pull the safety pin and keep on doing that until you get that elastic to the other side of the hole. What you do want to do is just put another safety pin on the other side of the elastic. That way, if you do pull the elastic tight enough on the other side, we know it won't come through. So at this point, you could honestly just actually keep the jeans like this. As you see, the scrunch effect is working. At the back, it's scrunching. What you would just want to do is when you put these jeans on, you'll just secure the safety pin to a part of the jeans where you feel it's tight enough, like you see here. It fits just fine. It fits well. You can't even tell there's safety pins in from the front, but this is just to get an idea of how it would look, and you could always keep it like this. If you did want to do something a bit more professional, you can sew a button on. So just get yourself some hand needles and thread, and then a button. You'll need two, of course, for both sides. Then you're just gonna put that thread in a few times inside those holes, going in and out, and just making sure that button is secure. Now, when you are putting on the button, you do want to make sure that the thread is only going through the inside of the jean. Otherwise, you're going to see the thread on the outside. What you'll do next is fold that elastic in half, and then you're just going to cut a small portion of that elastic, which will create a hole, and that hole is where you're going to put the button on, and that's again going to create that scrunch. So you'll just place the button inside the hole like you see I'm doing here, and you're going to do that on both sides to make sure the jeans stay up. Now, a great option as well, if you want your jeans to be tighter one day or looser, or you ate, or whatever the case is, you can put multiple buttons on there, which will change how tight those jeans are. Yeah, so that's really all you have to do. As you saw, it was super simple. Anyone could do it, and look at the final look of these jeans. They fit a lot better than how I got them before. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or if you have any ideas of what I can make next. Thank you.